What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. It's your boy finally back, man. Come on, my sister dyed my hair, boy. That's on a little fresh. If y'all can see it, it look awesome. And she got me a new sponge. She the best sis in the world. Got me a new sponge with the two sides. Yeah, I'm gonna steal a sponge, man, cause I feel like some of my twists not doing like I want them to, so I gotta keep sponging. I don't want to mess up the sponge, so let me rip this off like this. Okay, we're gonna use this side since we used the other side on the other sponges we had. So we're gonna use this side right here. Go. That's how you do it, y'all. With the kit that dyed my hair, I got some conditioner right here. I'm using this. So, that's how we do it. Well, that's about it, man. I love my hair. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.